Hi there, I'm going to talk to you about distressing your denim. So it's really easy, it just is time consuming. So tools you need: a pair of jeans, black, white, you can do any regular denim, a razor to make holes in the jeans, good set of tweezers. I have Tweezer Man, which I love, and then grater for just doing distressing without actual holes. It just distresses and makes it look, you know, great on the pockets, like this area. I love doing the back pockets with the cheese grater and the belt loops. So just different things you can do with this. And then also other distressing, you know, you could throw, you know, glue and put on beads and balls and paint, and that's just a different, whole different ball game, which is super great. But if you're just wanting to distress, similar to this, what you do, you put your cardboard, this is the cardboard, I put it under here, and with the razor, you make 2 slits where you'd like them to be. So, you know, those, at how big ever you want your hole to be. So that, I just wanted a small one. So you've got your holes there. Then you kind of pull out the white pieces, pardon my non-manicured nails. You pull out the white pieces, just a couple to get it started. And then you go for the blue pieces. You'll see how the denim is lined. It actually gives you room and leeway to pull each piece. So it's little, it's monotonous, it's time consuming, but it's sort of therapeutic. So and it gets easier. The first couple you have to really wiggle out, and it feels like, oh, maybe this denim isn't the right pair, but you can do stretch denim. You can do just, this is an old blue jean that doesn't have much stretch at all. So you keep pulling these pieces, pulling. And again, it does get easier. So you see me do that. You collect a little pile. You're starting to see the white, and then it will lead to this. So however you want your holes to be small, you can open up the holes completely, but a lot of times it is kind of fun to just let a little, just be careful when you're stepping your foot in that your toe doesn't catch it, because there goes your hole. But try it out. It's really fun with an old pair of jeans. You know, the trend is in just cool denim, so make it your own, and I hope that is helpful.